Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to fix Telegram not sending verification code on iPhone. Firstly, if your Telegram account is active on another device, the verification code will be sent there. Open the Telegram device, chat on that device to find the code. Secondly, by default, Telegram doesn't send codes via email, but if you've added an email to your account, Telegram may use it as a backup. Open your email inbox and look for the verification code. If the code appears on another device or email, uninstall and reinstall Telegram. This resets the app and clears corrupted cache data and may fix hidden bugs. And finally, try the Telegram X app. Telegram X is an official alternative developed by Telegram LLC. Many users report that switching to Telegram X triggered the login code successfully. Just note that this isn't guaranteed for everyone, so it's currently available only on Google Play Store. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.